bottle caps, expertly crafted to form a bold avant-garde ensemble. The main body of the outfit is adorned with layers of plastic spoons inspired by the shape and movement of a fish. It is crafted primarily from silver-colored paper plates that have been intricately layered to mimic fish scales, giving the costume a reflective, textured appearance. The bottom part features soda caps and additional cutouts from the paper plates, shaped into fins and tail-like extensions.
All DVDs or compact discs and Tetra Paks onto it. For other details, we use beads outfit because they can outfit requirements. Using magazines held together with an old curtain. For his outer top, we use old pants as the base and glued Tetra Paks and CDs around it. We also added beads made from magazines for details. For his skirt,
display of artistry and environmental stewardship. As our navigator demonstrates, we see a guide that embodies sustainability and hope for our planet. The base of this gown, crafted from rice stalks, symbolizes nourishment and our vital connection to the agriculture. Sir and students, this outfit was inspired by the style worn in the 70s, which is hip-hop. It consists of a hat, vest, and pants, and also a bag. The hat was made out of ripped magazines containing miscellaneous pieces. Next, we have the top, which is inspired by a chaleco vest. In front, we can see shattered CDs that shines like us students. We also have rolled up magazines on its lining, south and sides. This
In a world where sustainability is paramount, the designer creates a stunning eco-dress that embodies the futuristic vision, crafted from discarded compact discs. The dress glistens like a mosaic under the city lights. As Gyros Lava walks the runway, the reflective surfaces symbolize hope and innovation. The audience is captivated not just by the dress brilliance, but the message. A call to embrace eco-consciousness in fashion. Ultimately, 10 Advisors Creations inspires a movement encouraging others to delve into sustainable design, proving that even a discarded material can shine in a brighter future. Once again, Gyros Lava, thank you.
and the vests are made of sacks, used Tetra Paks, and plastic bottle cups. The necklace and other accessories are made out of sacks, Tetra Paks, and dried palm tree leaves. The pasiking or the bag is made out of carton and old journals. We use this traditional outfit to showcase our culture and tradition, to remind us who we are and where we are from.